raining outside. On our trip, we're going to learn about the Kentucky Derby. These people love horses here, just like me. And we're going to go on the world's largest indoor zip line, which is in a cavern. And we're going to learn about Daniel Boone. Our hotel is the Hotel Distil. It's called the Hotel Distil because people like to drink whiskey here. Right now, I'm at dinner and I'm eating chicken and I really like it. I'm dipping it in barbecue sauce. I'm at an Angel's Envy, which is a distillery place, and I went there on a tour with some friends, adult friends. And they got to taste wine, and I'm a kid, so they just gave me chocolate and water. I did not like the chocolate that they had. They had orange flavored chocolate and dark chocolate.
Career-long whiskey grudge against the Angel Share, the annual evaporation out of our barrels that takes 3 to 5% per annum, whether we want to or not. All right. So Lincoln had a sampling a little smaller than this. Well, after that first taste together, he was so impressed. He looked around and said, "Y'all, Angels took what's theirs. That's true. We can't get that back. But what we got left over, the Angels will envy." That is stuff.
I'm here at Watchville Cavern, and we're going to have lunch right now.
Well, we're happy to have you. We're going to have a really fun Kentucky-style lunch today with obviously some nice bourbon pairings.
We're at lunch right now, and I was checking out some of these bottles, and I like this horse design right here. Right there, and then this one right here. What I said, get into the camera. But I said the wands when Harry's like going on wand shopping. Go and look on this.
It tastes pretty nice. Hey, it's been like 90% black. The rocks are black and the bricks are black. Bourbon is ethyl alcohol. And when it sits in these barrels in these open warehouses like we have here, or at any distillery that has open warehouses, those barrels will lose between 3 and 4% of their volume every year through evaporation. That's what you'll smell out here. That's what they call the Angel Share. Now that vapor is conducive to a fungus. It's got a name this long, and that's what causes everything to turn black out here.
It's really loud. This pump was used at Springfield, and it was made in 1791. And it says home of Zachary Taylor, which I don't know what that means. But Zachary Taylor was the 12th president of the U.S. This is a sculpture of Aristides, and he was the first Kentucky Derby winner, and he won in 1875. We're at Churchill Downs. Right now, I'm at Churchill Downs. We're going to watch the race number 3, and right now the horses are warming up. I'm ready for tap into it, which is number 1. Ooh, that one's pretty. And this Look, it shows you which horses are racing and the trainers and the jockeys and stuff like that. And I either chose the horses that I want to win the races because it's either they're pretty or like they're mean. 0 minutes till the race starts. Here they come. The horse that I was rooting for got second place. My favorite is Surf City, which is number 5, and Side Eye, which is number 11, I think.
Breaks in stride. Glacial Power is there. St. Cash comes on from the outside.
They're coming around and they're on the grass right now.
Behind now. Here runs racing third. There's a furlong to go. Glacial Power trying to fend off St. Cash. St. Cash to a short lead. Glacial Power.
The starting point was moved right in front of us, and I'm really excited.
About already today, talk about the opener. With the flash tag, let's go ahead and talk about just a couple of horses coming up here in this race. Both fight coming in.
He said they're fast.
Woo! Fight is looking for the lead, and he quickly comes on through to take Zachary. Comes on there, he's in. Shumper's Revenge are outside, advancing from third. It's all from the inside is fourth. But Harry's out to the fourth.
There they go.
I'm excited about number 8, who is Pink.
Wait. Let Harry tire themselves out. Let's go! Come on, one!
Oh my god, he took it.
Bourbon was flat.
You're tempted by the name Bourbon.
Bourbon was drinking
He was
bourbon.
second. So, people say that number 2 won race 7, but or is it race 8? Oh, no, it's race 7. But I'm positive that number 8 dressed as number 2, and then they switched spots, and 8 won the race. Don't worry, I haven't been drinking bourbon. So we learned that we are supposed to pronounce it Louisville, and right now we're walking through Louisville, and we're going to see a big baseball bat. I think there's a big statue of David behind me, and he's naked. This is a statue of a Patriot soldier from the Revolutionary War, and it's a statue for the Sons of Liberty. These are street art horses, and they have I like this guy. He has a nice touch. This is a pretty park. There's also dog poop bags. That one. I love it. Look at those benches. I'm just gonna sit here and maybe pick up a book. This is Baird Urban Sports. And I think it's a baseball or kickball field. Right there is a unicorn, and then there's a fountain over there. We're at Top Golf. Top Golf is a place where you can practice golf, and I haven't really played golf before, so
want to make sure you look at the ball when you do it. When you get the ball, when you hit it, then you now, you got to keep your eye on the ball. Keep your eye on the ball like this. Right? Look at me, like this. You go like this. Keep your eye on the ball. Hit it. Swing through. There you go. Wow.
I recommend Top Golf for people who, even if they haven't played golf before, or if they love golf, I think that you should come here. So then you can like hang out with your friends, family, and you can have some lunch, and it's just a great hangout place. I'm at the Louisville Mega Cavern, and I'm going to be going on the largest indoor zip line in the world, and I'm really excited.
Awesome. All right. Go ahead and grab the helmet that's hanging out in front of you. Grab the helmet off the ground.
Onto the zip course, there's going to be a box under the top of each zip line with a few steps leading up to it. Might be a whole staircase, maybe just one little step. We'll have you step up to the step right below the very top. We're going to hook a few things in, and then we'll invite you all the way out up to the top. While we're out there, we might have a few things to say at the top of each zip line, so please just make sure. Now, as you're going down the zip line, we're not going to do anything fancy. We're just going to sit down and on the
We're here, and I didn't expect it to be so many colors.
Any questions? All right, you can let go now.
There were barrels of people, and then there's faces. That's like
Give me your green feathers. There we go.
Wait, where's that end? Oh, there's no end. There's no end.
There isn't one on this one. Once you get
the last one is a race, and I really recommend the Mega Cavern for people watching, for people going to Kentucky, and I really loved our tour guides. They were so nice. Pet horse zip line. Even has a picture of the zip line. He sounds so hollow. Gallapalooza, which has been putting out these horses, have been putting out these horses since 2004, and they have over 500 horses, and they're like on sidewalks and streets and stuff like that, and they call it the sidewalk derby. These are ways to pronounce it. I was taught this way, and right here are some places that you can go to in Louisville. Here are some fun facts about Louisville. right here is a fun fact that I liked, and it says 90% of the disco balls in the U.S. are produced in Louisville. Most of the balls are made by National Products on Baxter Avenue. The company has been in the disco ball business for over 50 years.